crews have safely brought down the south side of the Alpha 2 building. With the latest progress, workers have removed 34,000 square feet of the 325,000 square foot facility since beginning the teardown last fall. A major accomplishment that has helped facilitate this progress and others in the future is the completion of a year-long utility reroute project. Workers rerouted all piping systems to isolate them from the Alpha 2 building. This separation of active systems is crucial for ensuring demolition efforts do not have an impact on the facilities and piping systems supporting Y-12's ongoing operations. Alpha 2 is categorized as a high-risk excess contaminated facility due to its contents and level of deterioration. Its removal eliminates risks, modernizes the site, and clears land to support national security missions. Congratulations to the ORNL 3517 D&D team for completing the final cell characterization at Building 3517 Fission Production Development Laboratory. This significant achievement has been in progress for approximately 7 months. The team safely and successfully completed characterization of 21 hot cells, overcoming multiple obstacles without any events, including cell design configuration, high dose, and significant levels of contamination.
So today the team has completed the characterization of all the hot cells inside of the facility. And so they actually used a number of methods. We went in through doorways where there were doorways, and we went in through existing holes and penetrations into the hot cells themselves, and we took detailed photographs and videos and took rad measurements so that we could better understand the environment inside the hot cells, so that we can build our approach for future cleanup. All of the hot cell cleanup, the intention behind that is to remove all the material from the hot cells, and so that we can eventually deactivate the remaining facility and eventually demolish.
The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and its contractor, Geiger Brothers, have completed construction of the K-25 Interpretive Center, which will provide a panoramic view of the K-25 building's footprint. Working through an interagency agreement, ORNL provided funding for the project, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers was tasked with overseeing construction of the facility. UCOR and subcontractor SME & Busby Architects designed the facility, which includes 10-foot wraparound glass windows, and provided engineering support during construction. With the construction phase completed, exhibit installation will begin. The facility is scheduled to open later this year with a ribbon-cutting celebration. UCOR held a ribbon-cutting ceremony for the Mental Wellbeing Center. Labor leaders and local officials joined UCOR to participate in the ribbon cutting and tour the facility.
So just like we do preventative things to protect people against physical hazards, lead, asbestos, iron, mercury, we now offer the same for their emotional and behavioral well-being. So they can get in front of things.
The Mental Wellbeing Center was developed as a direct result of employee feedback to provide greater mental health resources and help employees live a better life.